In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy pages between Workspaces and Microsoft Loop. To get started, open your browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This is the quickest way to reach the official site, and it helps you avoid any lookalike pages. In the results, click the official Microsoft Loop link, the one that describes it as a collaborative app for Microsoft 365. That will take you to the product page where you can begin. On the Microsoft Loop page, select Get Started with Loop. If you already have a Microsoft account, sign in with it. If you don't, you can create one right there. Make sure you use the account that has access to the workspaces you'll be working in so you can copy pages without running into permission issues. Once you're in, open the workspace that currently contains the page you want to copy. Think of a workspace as a project hub. Each workspace holds pages, which are your documents, notes, and components related to that project. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace so you copy the right content. Now, find the page you want to copy in the Workspace's navigation pane. Hover over the page title to reveal the More Options menu, which looks like 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the page's actions. This menu is where Loop hides a lot of useful tools, and it's the quickest route to copying between workspaces. From that menu, click Add to Workspace. This action prepares a copy of your selected page so you can place it in another workspace. It's helpful when you need the same content available to a different team or project without rebuilding it from scratch. When the workspace picker appears, choose the destination workspace where you want the copy to live. If you have many workspaces, use the search field to find the right one. If you don't see the workspace you need, you might not have access to it yet, so request the appropriate permissions from its owner before continuing. After selecting the workspace, Loop will add the page there. Give it a moment to process, especially if the page is large. To confirm, navigate to the destination workspace and look for the copied page in the list. If you're organizing multiple copies, consider renaming the page or adding a short label so teammates can quickly identify which version belongs to which project. That's it. You've successfully copied a page between Workspaces and Microsoft Loop, keeping your projects aligned and your teams on the same page.